Hello, fifth grade scholars. This is a quick video on how to get to your math assignment on Kami. So as you can see, I'm about to click this link that's highlighted in blue. So those of you who are on an iPad or phone, you would do it this way. Those of you who are on a computer, you will follow the directions that say on computer. So watch the morning greeting video to see how to do that. This video is for people who are on an iPad or a phone. So I'm going to click on the link. It's going to take me to Google Classroom. It may ask you to log in. So when you log in, go ahead and do so using your MyMail LAUSD account. So at the bottom, it says your work. So I'm going to tap on the arrow that says your work. I will then see my name or whoever is doing the assignment, your name will pop up on here. As you can see, I'm practicing using one of our scholars, okay? So I'm just going to click on to where it says the name. And then at the top right corner, for some of us, it might be at the bottom, but on my iPad, there's a pencil. So I'm going to tap my pencil and then it's going to take me to the edit screen. Once I get to the edit screen, I can choose to type it by clicking the A, or I can write it in using the pen. These other two are markers and pencils, so be very careful with that because it can get bulky. But since the text is quite small, you need to make sure you use that A and then tap anywhere on the screen and then type your response. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Okay. And then we're going to go back because don't want to mark up her work because she is responsible for her own homework. Once you have finished, you need to go ahead and click save. So I'm going to pop back in so you can see it. Okay. Once you mark it up, it's going to save pretty much automatically. So that's good. So when you save, you're going to go back. Okay, once I tap turn in, it goes straight to me. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to go back into Schoology or anything. Once you submit assignment in Google Classroom, I will get it either way and I will put your grade in on Schoology. Okay.